Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing butter dumpling. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So to a large bowl, I will go in and add my flour, and you can always go ahead and use counter flour or all-purpose flour or any kind of flour that you want to use. You know, they have cassava flour, they have plantain flour, you can always go ahead and use it. I will also go in and add my salt and of course combine both of them together nicely because you want it to be evenly distributed. Once it is nicely combined, I will go in and add my water. Now I have 1 cup of cold water, but I will not be using all of the water. I will just tip a little, combine the dough together, and once the dough comes together nicely, I will just go ahead and put it to the side for roughly about 10 minutes, allow it to rest. Now, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. If you have a nice little corner shop, you can always go ahead and visit it, and of course, you will get all of these items. You can always go ahead and have this butter dumpling by itself. You can have it with some tuna, some cooked up saltfish. You can even put some cheese on top, put it in the oven, allow it to melt, and just slice it up and have it for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. Remember not to overwork your dough. You don't want it to be too tough. A little bit soft and sticky is fine. So after 10 minutes, it's time to go ahead and start rolling up my dough. As for the butter, you can always go ahead and use any butter of your choice. As I said, visit your local supermarket, corner shop. You will see different kinds of butter there. You can always go ahead and use any one that you prefer to use. So I divided my dough into 2 halves, and then I'm going to go in and use my rolling pin to just roll out my dough. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can always go ahead and use a rum bottle. So what you can do, you just wash off your rum bottle and dry it nicely, and then just use it to just roll your dough. You just have to be creative. So I went ahead already, put on my frying pot, and I added the butter to it, and I'm just going to allow it to just melt a little. So what you want to do, you just want to ensure that you add a little bit of the flour on the cutting board and a little on the rolling pin, because once you start to roll the dough, it's a possibility that it's going to stick, and you don't want that. You want to roll your dough as thin as possible. So once your dough is nicely rolled out, you just put it to the side and just ensure that the butter is melted nicely. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. So you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients used today, and let me know what you think about this amazing butter dumpling. Let me know if you would try it, and let me know what you would have it with. Alright, so this is it. My butter starts to melt, and I turn my stove on medium heat just a note. So once my butter is melted nicely, I will go in and add the dumpling dough. And of course, we're going to allow this to fry nicely golden brown on both sides. Because it is not a thick dough, it is a thin dough, it will take less time to fry. So about 7 or so minutes, it should be good. And just to note, once you're going to flip your dough on the other side to allow it to fry, you have to be careful because you don't want it to break apart. You can opt to put some of the butter on top, or you can just allow it to just cook So as you can see, I have to be real careful because I don't want it to break apart, but we want it to fry nicely, golden brown, as I said before. Once it's finished frying, we're going to take it out. We're going to place it on a plate that is lined with paper towel and allow the excess butter to just drain. All right, so this is it, nicely fried, as you can see, looking all lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna slice them up and basically serve it up, and this is the final product. So as you can see, it is nicely fried and very thin. So as I said, you can always go ahead and have it with something. If you don't want to have it with anything, you just have it by itself. So in a few seconds or a few minutes, I'll show you guys the final product of this amazing butter dumpling. Stay tuned and remember to tell me what you think about it and if you're gonna give it a try, and all of the ingredients will be in the description box. So go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about it. So guys, this is the final product of my amazing butter dumpling. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there by sharing, subscribing to my channel. Tell your friends and your families about Callie J's Kitchen. Again guys, thank you for your love, for your support. See you tomorrow. Bye.